Good morning, students. If you choose here the subject geography in arts stream, here now we start the geography's broad geography subject. In 10th class, you study and point of view of social science. In social science, economics, geography, history, and political science. Here the short root of the geography, and here now geography is broad. Geography is here the broad form in 11th class. Here the geography is a separate subject. In social science, here social science, economics, political science, geography, history combined subject social science in 10th class. But here the geography have specific responses and specific quality in its own, and here geography है सेपरेट सब्जेक्ट. इट्स मीन 10th क्लास में हमने क्या किया, सोशल साइंस सब्जेक्ट में ज्योग्राफी, पॉलिटिकल साइंस, इकोनॉमिक्स, ऑल दिस सब्जेक्ट यहाँ पे स्टडी किया. बट हियर इन 11th क्लास ज्योग्राफी एज ए मेजर सब्जेक्ट, बिग सब्जेक्ट एज ए स्पेसिफिक या सेपरेट सब्जेक्ट. वी स्टार्ट हियर द ज्योग्राफी इज ए सेपरेट सब्जेक्ट. Clear? Now let us what is geography. First of all, what is geography? The description of the earth is called the geography. Description of the earth is called the geography. What is geography? First of all, what is geography? The description of the earth is, earth का जो description करना है, that is called the geography. In one line here, the what is geography? So studying the earth as a human habitat is called geography. Now here, studying the earth as a human habitat is called geography. Studying of the earth. Studying of the earth. In geography क्या कर रहे हैं हम? Main here the studying of the earth as a human habitat. Here the human का जो settlement है या habitat है, here the earth is called the geography. तो what is here the first of all, जब भी आपको कहा है कि in one line speak about the geography, तो studying the earth as a human habitat is called geography. Is called geography. Next is the father of the geography. Who is the father of the geography? ठीक है, तो father of the geography first year Hecataeus. Hecataeus is the father of geography, and second is the Eratosthenes. Hecataeus is the father of geography. What was the reason here? Hecataeus is called the father of geography. Hecataeus ने क्या किया? Arrange the whole geography. Hecataeus arranged the whole geography in a systematic way. So Hecataeus is called the father of geography. Second here, Eratosthenes is also called the father of geography. Why? Because Eratosthenes give the word geography. ठीक है, जो geography word है वो किसने दिया? Eratosthenes ने. So Eratosthenes also called the father of geography. And what is geography? Geography word mean geo plus graphos. Geo plus graphos. Geo mean earth और graphos mean description. Graphos means description. Here the description of the earth is called the geography. Description of the earth is called the geography. Description या study of the earth is called the geography. Clear? तो वापस से चलते हैं एक बार. Studying the earth as a human habitat is called geography. Clear? And the father of the geography Hecataeus, and the father of the geography second is Eratosthenes. Eratosthenes is given the word geography. The geography word means geo plus graphos. Geo mean earth and graphos mean description. So as a result we can say here the what is geography? Here description of the earth is called the geography. Description of the earth is called the geography. Now here the general introduction about the geography branches. Here the what is main two branches of the geography. Here the physical geography and the human geography. Here the two main branches of the geography, physical geography and human geography. In 11th class we study about the physical geography, and 12th class we study about the human geography. So first of all here the physical geography. The father of the physical geography. The father of the physical geography name is Posidonius. Father of the physical geography, Posidonius. Father of the physical geography, Posidonius, and father of the human geography, Redgel. Father of the physical geography, Posidonius, and father of the human geography is Redgel. The first here, so what is physical geography? What is physical geography? In physical geography, we study about the lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, and the biosphere. The branch of the geography, in which study about the physical features like here the mountain, water, plateau, plains, climate, weather, etc. That is called the physical geography. Okay, what is human geography? Here the main branch of the geography in which study about the man and environment. In which study about the man and environment and its relationship. Man and environment and relationship between man and environment. तो वापस से what is physical geography? What is physical geography? And the main branch of geography in which study about the physical features like all these relief, mountain, plateau, ridges, plains, and weather, climate, atmospheric conditions, water, continent, oceans. That is called the physical geography. Second, here what is human geography? Here the main branch of geography in which study about the relationship between man and environment. Man and earth एक ही बात है ना. Man and environment या human and earth. That is called the relationship between human and earth. That is called human geography. The father of the human geography Redger, and the father of the physical geography is Posidonius. Clear? Here the sub branches of the physical geography, sub branches of the human geography. ठीक है, सब branches of the physical geography. Here the approach 15 sub branches in the physical geography and human geography. But here now we study about the only four sub branches of the physical geography. First, here the geomorphology. In geomorphology, we study about all the shape of the relief of the earth. That is called the geomorphology. Next, climatology. In climatology, we study about the atmospheric condition, weather, climate, etc. That is called the this branch is the climatology. In hydrology, we study about all these water sources like all these water sources, or mainly here the study about the oceans. Clear? And next, here the soil geography. In soil geography, we study about the all lithosphere and the soil. So what is here the different type of the soil found on the earth? So what is soil here? Soil geography, here that we study about the soil and its many qualities and availability of the soil. That is called here the soil geography. Next, here in human geography, the sub branches of the human geography, all these are related to human and its activities. In human geography, all these sub branches are related to the human and its works, or human and its activities. First, here the social and the culture geography, population geography, economic geography, historical geography, political geography. In social and cultural geography, population geography, economic geography, historical geography, political geography. First of all, here social and the cultural geography. Here we study about the human and its culture and the social life of the human and related to the earth. That is called the social geography. In population geography, we study about the population and its work. Here the population density, population distribution, all these features that we include in the population geography. Economic geography, all these economic activities of the human, like the primary activities, secondary activities, tertiary activities, quaternary activities, and quaternary activities. All these activities are studied in the economic geography. Next, here the historical geography. In historical geography, we study about the origin of the human, when here the human origin, then here the now total time period of the human related to the earth, that is studied in the historical geography. Last year the political geography, all these boundaries of the countries are related to the political, and these boundaries are depend on the geography on the earth या land part. So all these branches are the sub branches of the human geography. And here the physical geography branches: geomorphology, climatology, hydrology, and social geomorphology. Any other branches also in the sub branches in the physical geography.